So to remove your location history on Mac is really easy. You're gonna open system settings. I have it here on my dock, and then it will just open. This is the quickest way to do it. Or if you do not have it on your dock, just go to the menu bar, click on the Apple icon, and then click on system settings, and then it will open right here. So once you open system settings, just go on the sidebar and then click on privacy and security just once, and then you go to location services, and then once you're there, you want to go to system services and then click on details right here where the mouse has just gotten bigger. Just click on details, and then once you do that, you want to go to significant locations and then just click on details again, and then all your records of your locations will be here. Right now there's 0 records because I've been clearing, but when your locations are here, everything that you do, maps, calendars, photos, it will reflect here. You just go over here where you see the little arrow here, and then you just click on it, and then you click on clear history. So it says clear significant locations, and then are you sure you want to clear significant locations on this Mac and other devices signed into your iCloud account? Then you go ahead and say yes, clear history. Then when it does that, then it will clear everything. Once you are happy, you go ahead and you click on done. Then once you're done with that as well, here you make sure, and then you just click on done. So I want you to stay in system settings and then just go to network as well. So once you're in network, so you just want to click on this 3 dots and the arrow over here, go to locations, and then go on edit locations. So if there's any locations that were logged in, it will log in here. If you want to add locations, you can go ahead and add a location and then title it. And if you don't want it there anymore, let's just say we said the location is Triple H. If you don't want it anymore, you just click on it, and then you go over here, click on the minus button, and then it will automatically remove it. So if you want to duplicate a location or rename a location, you also go to this drop down menu, and when you've removed the locations over here, you just go ahead and click on done. And then once you do that, you must put in your password or just use your Touch ID for your MacBook. I just use my Touch ID, and then it's as easy as that. Then it clears your location. Another thing you can also do is go to maps. So you can just open your maps app, and then you can go ahead and you clear your history. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips just like this.